How to update your payment method on Shein. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You're gonna land to the shop page. First, you have to select any of the item to make a purchase. For now, I'm gonna choose this one. After you select any of the product, you can click on the option of Add to Cart. After you are done with selecting the items, at the top right, you will find this cart icon. Click on it. Now click on the option of Checkout. You will land to order confirmation page. From this page, you can easily update your payment method on Shein. First, you have to fill up your shipping address and then select the shipping method. And heading towards the payment method, you are able to set it to credit or debit card, Apple Pay, Buy Now Pay Later, or Cash App Pay or Venmo. You can choose any of these options. All you have to do is check in for the payment method that you want to set for your Shein account. After you select your payment method, you can head towards the next page by clicking on this option of Place Order. And at the very top, you can find this payment section. Over here, you have to provide the details of your payment method, and with that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily update your payment method on Shein. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.